Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo Legion 7 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 SSD slot, which is typically situated near the center of the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's advisable to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static electricity from damaging the components. Now carefully unscrew the existing M.2 SSD from its slot. Gently pull it out at an angle, ensuring not to touch any other components. If you are replacing the SSD with a new one, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at a slight angle and then press it down firmly before securing it with the screw you previously removed. Once the new SSD is in place, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling efficiency. After cleaning, carefully replace the back panel of your laptop. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier. Now, it's time to power on your laptop. If you find that the laptop does not boot, you may need to enter the BIOS settings to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete, depending on your model. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures that you receive the best advice tailored to your needs. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the storage settings and check if your new SSD is listed. If it is, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Finally, after the installation is complete, enjoy the enhanced performance of your Lenovo Legion 7 with the new M.2 SSD. Regular upgrades can significantly improve your gaming and productivity experience, so consider this a step towards a more efficient device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.